In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a task in Zoho projects. Let's get started right from the main workspace. First, look over to the left-hand side of your Zoho project screen. You'll see a panel with different options, including a section called Projects. This is where all of your active projects are listed. Go ahead and click on the specific project where you want to create your new task. This ensures that the task you add will be organized under the correct project, which is especially important if you're juggling multiple clients or teams. Once your project opens, shift your attention to the top navigation bar. Along this bar, you'll see several tabs, and one of them will be labeled Tasks. Click on the Tasks tab. This takes you straight into the area where all the tasks related to this project are created, tracked, and managed. Now that you're in the Tasks section, look toward the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find a button labeled Add Task. This is the main entry point for creating new work items. Go ahead and click Add Task. A form or pop-up window will appear, giving you a few fields to fill out. The first thing you'll want to do is enter the task name. Make this clear and specific so that anyone on your team can quickly understand what needs to be done just by reading the title. For example, instead of writing something vague like Update, you might write Update Project Timeline for Q2 Launch. A descriptive name helps keep everyone aligned and reduces confusion later on. Next, you'll need to select a task list. Task lists act like folders or categories within your project, grouping related tasks together. Click on the task list dropdown and choose the list that best matches the type of work you're adding this task to. If your project is already organized into areas like design, development, or marketing, select the one that fits best. This step is important because it keeps your tasks organized and easier to filter and manage as your project grows. Once you've entered the task name and chosen the appropriate task list, you're ready to save it. Simply click the Add button. Zoho projects will create the task and place it under the task list you selected. You should now see your new task appear in the task list view, ready for you or your team to assign, schedule, and track as part of your project workflow.